Hi, good morning. Well, the last few days I've been trying to make videos in here as I usually do, and I've been doing for years and years. Making videos, having fun, fixing a few radios and things, and hopefully providing some entertainment for people. The last few days I've come in and I've been unable to make a video. What happens is, every time I start, I become aware that there's a 50-50 chance that the person watching my video is an American. And I am filled with seething anger over the United States. Over the United States government, and I use the word government loosely at this point. I don't think American people are really interested in what their government is doing. I also don't think American people can stop their government. I don't think they can stop it. And I don't think we can stop it in Canada. So what's going to happen here is a lot of people are going to be hurt. A lot of Americans and a lot of Canadians are going to be hurt. Hurt badly. There's going to be a national downturn in Canada, there's no doubt about it. And we are being betrayed by the country which has shown us good friendship over the years, but at this point has become a predator, and we have become prey. Everybody in Canada knows this. It's so obvious. There's no doubt. We're not playing games in Canada. Perhaps the American government, and again I use that term very loosely, is playing games, but we are not. The trust between me and Americans is gone. It will never come back. I won't live long enough to ever trust them again. We've been played for fools by the Americans. They've dragged us into their territory, and now they're stepping on us. I would say to any other country, and I can think of one in particular that's trying to make an agreement with the United States, don't bother. We have an agreement with the United States, and our agreement is to not put tariffs on. That's the agreement. The NAFTA agreement, or as Donald Trump had it renamed, the USMCA. That agreement is an agreement to not do exactly what you're doing, America. And this will not be forgotten about. And once trust is lost, you don't get it back. And I'm just a message from me now to an American. Your institutions are being destroyed. Institutions take decades to form. They can be destroyed very quickly because they're usually quite fragile. But you can't get them back once they're gone. One of the institutions that's being destroyed is the relationship between Canada and the United States. I'm sure if you're American and you're visiting Canada, you're hearing it directly from us. People are probably talking to you directly in restaurants and stores or wherever they realize you're American, and confronting you here in this country and asking you, what are you doing? Why are you doing this? You don't know, do you? You really don't. You may have been fed some kind of story about Canada is somehow abusive partner. Somehow we've bested you over the years. Little Canada has bested the big powerful United States, treating you unfairly. Come on. What this is really about is one man's expression of power. And he's looked for somewhere to express it. He's scared to express it towards countries like Russia and other countries like that. So he's picked on a weak neighbor. Yeah, we are weak. We're weak like most of the Western nations are weak because the United States told us to be weak, and they would build up the army, and they would keep the world safe and secure. So we wouldn't have to build up armies, because ultimately that would lead to a stable, safe world for Americans. Mr. Trump is changing that now. He's saying it's every man for himself. I think he just thinks the United States is the biggest ship of all and can never sink. Well, there isn't a ship that's been built ever that hasn't been sunk, scuttled, or dismantled. Not a single ship. So, I won't be making videos today. There's no way I can. I am not in the frame of mind to do this. And so I won't. I'll do something else today. And I just hope that somehow Americans can regain control of their government and take it out of the hands of those who are stealing it away, who are claiming emergencies that don't exist, so they can get power that they shouldn't have, so they can do whatever they want, regardless of what any of us might want. I'm very sorry for making this video. I am not interested in making videos like this. This is not what my channel is about. My channel is about the bench behind me. But for God's sakes, somebody put a stop to this man. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully in a day or two I'll start posting more videos on old radios and stuff like that. Try my best to hide away from this nonsense which I cannot control. And neither can you. See ya.